everyone.
So today's MCQ is a G2P1L1 with a previous history of previous cesarean section presented in active labor. During trial of labor, there was fetal bradycardia, maternal tachycardia, persistent suprapubic pain between contractions was also noted. On examination, the cervix was 8 cm dilated and the vertex was at -1 station. What is the next best step in management? A. Instrumental delivery. B. Emergency lower segment cesarean section. C. Wait and watch. D. Artificial rupture of membranes.
No, sir. Now here you see Purva. She is a case of previous LSCS, है ना? And 8 cm dilated. She is having fetal bradycardia, maternal tachycardia, and suprapubic pain. All these are pointing more towards the scar dehiscence, right? So wait and watch. There is no role of wait and watch. C out हो गया. ARM यहाँ पे तो अपनी emergency है, तो there is no role of ARM which is used to augment the labor. Now the remaining options are instrumental delivery and emergency lower segment cesarean section. All the prerequisites for instrumental delivery are not here. Cervix should be fully dilated. Here the cervix is 8 cm dilated, and apart from them it is at -1 station. And in modern obstetrics we only apply outlet forceps, right? And here very important to remember that all the features of scar dehiscence are present, which needs immediate laparotomy followed by emergency lower segment cesarean section if there is scar dehiscence, or if there is rupture, then accordingly it should be managed. So here the option is B.
So the catch point to solve this question is history of previous cesarean section along with fetal bradycardia, maternal tachycardia and persistent suprapubic pain. So emergency lower segment cesarean section has to be taken.
Thank you.